I've always enjoyed tinkering with things and building and creating and solving problems. What about if it pushed it off, but whatever fell missed the target?
It's getting me ready for like what engineering may be all about, what I may be doing.
And I thought this was a great way to get experience with not only engineering, but college life as well.
First of all, we want them to be interested in engineering. That's the primary thing. And the second thing is, of course, if they're interested in engineering, we would like them to come to UB. This camp is a partnership with National Grid and UB Engineering.
We're a very local company, so when we look at our future, we look at the need for new employees, new engineering going forward, we see the relationship with the University of Buffalo very direct.
We're working with Lego Robotics kits, putting together a group project.
If they put the light here, do you think they'll be close enough?
The idea is we're going to use the solar panels to generate power, which are going to be the inputs and outputs for the groups.
It is eye-opening. I've used my brain in ways that I've never used it before.
I'm not touching it.
Today when they tour the Energy Systems Institute, I want them to see things that they couldn't necessarily see via the web. It's nice to be able to see some of the applied things and maybe start to think about your own future and the things that you could aspire to do.
So basically we're trying to create and optimize a wind turbine and the blade design to see how much wattage we can produce.
So we have panels configured in either a single string of panels, or back up there 2, or over here 3.
Obviously they're trying to go green, which is good because our dependence on fossil fuels is way too high, I think.
One of the biggest learning experiences for me was when we actually went to National Grid.
When you're around people that have very similar views as you and goals, you kind of like feed off each other and more ideas develop, and it's just a great atmosphere.
These students, it will help change the world because it's what they're all about.
We're all friends now. Working together was a joy. We knew each other, so we were able to collaborate well.
I have a surprise for all of you. It's a $1,000 scholarship, which you would get if you came to UB Engineering.
There's so many options of what you can do with engineering, and there's so many activities after school with the campus and everything. It's just, actually it's overwhelming how much you can do here.